What precautions should be taken to ensure indoor safety when using propane heaters?
Hello and welcome to this informational guide. Today we'll be discussing an important topic: how to safely use propane heaters indoors. Propane heaters are convenient and efficient, but they also come with their own set of safety concerns. By following these safety measures, you can enjoy the benefits of your propane heater while minimizing risk.
Understanding the importance of ventilation.
First and foremost, proper ventilation is critical when using propane heaters indoors. These heaters can produce carbon monoxide, a deadly gas that is odorless and colorless. Therefore, it's essential to ensure there is adequate fresh air and oxygen in the room. 1. Always crack a window when the heater is in use. 2. Do not use the heater in small, enclosed spaces. 3. Ensure your home has a carbon monoxide detector installed and it's functioning properly.
The correct placement of your heater.
Correct heater placement is another important safety aspect to keep in mind. This minimizes the risk of accidents and improves the efficiency of the heater. 1. Position the heater on a level, stable surface to avoid it tipping over. 2. Keep the heater at a safe distance from flammable materials such as curtains, furniture, or rugs. 3. Make sure the heater isn't in a high traffic area where people or pets could accidentally knock it over.
Regular maintenance and inspection.
Just like any other appliance, regular maintenance and inspection are key to ensuring the safe operation of your propane heater. 1. Check for any signs of damage or wear and tear before each use. 2. Regularly clean the heater according to the manufacturer's instructions to keep it in good working order. 3. If you notice anything unusual such as strange noises or smells, turn off the heater immediately and have it inspected by a professional.
Safety first. Using the propane heater responsibly.
Responsible usage is the final cornerstone of indoor propane heater safety. Remember, this is not a device to leave unattended or to use carelessly. 1. Never leave the heater unattended while it's operating. 2. Turn off the heater when you leave the room or go to sleep. 3. Educate all family members about the importance of heater safety. And that wraps up our guide on how to use propane heaters safely indoors. By following these precautions, you can ensure that your home stays warm and, more importantly, safe. Always remember, safety should always be the top priority when using any heating device. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.